Hey mga beshi, welcome back to my channel. Ang isi-share ko naman sa inyo ngayon ang binibilihan ko ng tela ng mga Gina printed. Good morning mga beshi, welcome back to my channel. Andito na naman po tayo ulit sa Divisoria at pupuntahan po natin yung mga binibilihan ng Gina printed na tela. Request po ito ng aking isang subscriber na si Johnny Tabasa. Ito po yung kanilang address, CM Recto, Tondo, Manila. Stall number 573.
Pasok po tayo mga beshi sa kanilang store.
Sa kanilang pwesto.
At nagpapasalamat din po ako sa may-ari nitong store dahil napakabait po. Pinayagan po tayo magkuha ng video.
Ito po yung design ng kanilang
Ito po yung kanilang mga design. Gina printed. 30 pesos per yard.
30 pesos
po
ang
ito
per yard.
cortina.
May discount pa po yan pagka marami po ang kukunin niyo.
Cover po ng mga computer set.
Ito yung mga kadalasan
Basahan.
ginagamit sa kurtina. Mga
Kahit
cover
po
ng mga
costume,
computer
ginagamit
set.
din po itong Gina.
Basahan. Ginagamit din
Yan,
po ito sa
nagaganda po ng
costume.
kanilang mga design.
Yan, ito mga costume.
Ito po yung kanilang mga stripe. Ito po yung kadalasang ginagamit sa mga costume.
30 pesos po ang
Mga
per yard.
saya.
Yan, ang dami
Pwedeng
pong design na
pang-terno.
pagpipilian.
Marami po kayong pagpipilian. Halos lahat po ng design nandito na sa kanila. 30 pesos per yard. May discount pa po yan kung perolyo ang bibilihin. Ito naman po yung kanilang Gina plain, 23 pesos per yard. Marami rin po kayong pagpipili ang design, kulay. Andito na po lahat. Pasyal na lang po kayo sa kanilang store kasi wala po silang Shopee. Wala rin pong binigay na contact number yung may-ari. Kaya pasyal na lang po kayo sa kanilang store. Meron din po sila ditong checkered para sa uniform. 70 pesos po ang per yard. Pang school uniform na checkered. Pwede rin po yan sa costume. Pero mas mura yung Gina printed. Ayan, shout out po kanila kuya, napakababait po. Maraming salamat.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Available din sa kanila ang perolyo kung gusto nyo pong umorder.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Available na rin mga beshi ang kanilang Christmas design. Yan, pwede na kayong bumili. Ito, ang ganda ng kanila, oh. Ang ganda ng design. Yan. Sa mga nagtitipid at maganda naman ang klase ng tela, ito po. Gina printed. Pwede nyong gawing 3-in-1. Or pwede nyong lagyan ng raffles. Tabing kalsada lang po yung kanilang store. CM Recto. Stall number 573. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Please like, share, subscribe. Pakihit nyo na rin po yung bell button para lagi po kayong updated sa mga video ko pa pong gagawin. Marami pong salamat. Bye!
Look at me sometimes